Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Robinhood to your tax software for 10. To connect Robinhood to your tax software for 1099, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Navigate to the account section, usually found in the lower right corner. Select the Statements and History option under the account menu. Look for the Tax Documents section, where you'll find your 1099 forms. Download the relevant 1099 document for your tax year. Next, open your preferred tax software application. Locate the section for importing tax documents or financial data. Select the option to upload or import a 1099 form. Browse your computer or device for the downloaded Robinhood 1099 file. Select the file and click Upload to transfer the information. Once the upload is complete, verify that the details from the 1099 appear correctly. Double-check any income, gains, or losses reported in the software. If your software integrates with Robinhood, look for an automatic import option. Follow the prompts provided by the software to complete this integration if available. Save your progress within the tax software. Review any additional sections that might require information from Robinhood. Follow through with the necessary steps to finalize your tax return. Keep all documents and confirmations for your records. Finally, confirm that all information is accurate before filing your taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.